Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, just going over a few things. So right now, the market was a little bit volatile today. We had some ups and downs. We still have Vanguard, S&P 500 VOO still at about $631. This is a ETF that has about $872 billion worth of assets invested in it. Something that I keep invested in. This stock is, our ETF is safe. This is a good one to hold long-term in your long-term accounts. Something that is just like the kind of the what I would recommend as your base of your investing. You want to have index funds. Right now, the futures are down, but the market did perform okay today. Our S&P futures down about 9 points. Dow's down about 127 points. But overall today, the market was green. Stocks were up. So tomorrow, I expect to watch Broadcom. Broadcom had earnings today. The earnings turned out well. They said that they expect to have up to $100 billion in sales in software and chips. And these are the infrastructure chips, our infrastructure software by 2027. Just to read you guys a few things. They said that AI is not disrupting their software business in Broadcom. So that's why they feel like feel confident that they're going to continue to grow. They had about a $7.2 billion software revenue, and the stock was up in the after hours. The stock was up about 5.7%, about $16 in the after hours. The stock is up. And so tomorrow I expect to watch Broadcom. That stock ticker is AVGO. It's a stock that I've been in for a while, and that stock is sitting right now at about $334 per share is what Broadcom is at right now. So I'm gonna have Broadcom on my watch list. Then next up is AMD. AMD was up today because, of course, we had NVIDIA moving up and we had Broadcom moving up. So AMD stock was up 5.82% today to up $11. AMD shares about $200. But the thing about I read about AMD is interesting fact is AMD has kind of a tendency to move. Volatility has ups and downs. So there's been 8 times since January 2010 where the stock has had declines of 30%. So it's went from, in the past month, from $252 to about $200. So it's not one of those stocks that I want to buy at the 250, 255 range, because I know that AMD has the characteristic of falling back. So I want to be careful about buying it. But it is a stock that I do hold. You guys pick your price, whichever you want to buy it. I can't tell you where to get in. One other thing about AVGO, Broadcom, that I missed, they had revenues of $19.31 billion versus 19.19, so a little bit of a beat. Just want to throw that in there. And then we have Coinbase. Coinbase was up today because they had a win with Trump where he agrees to support crypto. So that stock just rallied. I saw the volume is moving up. I did not jump in it. It's up about 15%, $26 today. In the past month at Coinbase, the resistance price has been about $140. So I don't know, I don't want to chase right now Coinbase at the price levels that it's at right now, but just something to consider. Whenever crypto goes down, sometimes Coinbase is one of the first ones to pull back, and then once crypto goes back up, Coinbase is one of the stocks to rally. So that's at about $208 a share right now. That's what Coinbase is sitting at. So of course, they're along with the crypto Bitcoin sector. When those things move, that you can expect to see Coinbase go up or down with those. And then I just start index funds, just to give you a rundown. VOO is not too far from the highs, about $630 a share. Got SPY at $685. If you want a cheaper option, VTI, which is the Vanguard Total Market Index, is about $338 right now. So these are stocks ETFs are gonna average into every month. Whether if you have $1,000, $2,000, whatever your income is, whatever you can afford to put, maybe 5 to 10%. Consider putting that in those ETFs, because that's where you're going to get some years where you're going to have, you could have a 3, 4, 5, 10% pullback, but when you have good years and you have 15, 20% returns like we've had recently, then that's where you can put that money into VOO or VTI and get some good returns. But yeah, just wanted to highlight that Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO, is the one to watch tomorrow. That stock could be continue seeing some buying with the futures being down. I have to see how NVIDIA moves. This is a stock that moves with NVIDIA. Also, TSM So I think that's going to be definitely my watch list. And then again, if Coinbase continues to move up, Coinbase will be on my watch list, but I will be only risking what I can afford to lose. And if I'm doing options, it'll be out further, like 30 to 60 days. Won't be like a day trading thing. But just keep an eye on the index funds. They are still near high. We had a little bit of pullbacks on red days, but nothing significant. Those VU, SPY, and VTI are kind of still up, only down about probably 1 or 2% from the highs. So I just want to give you guys that little bit of information. If you guys have any questions, stocks you'd like me to go over, sectors, energy, tech stocks, what I'm looking at, I can give you guys some ideas of what I'm looking at. If you guys are interested in a coaching call, let me know. I will be helping you guys, let you know how I set up my portfolio, what I'm invested in, the stocks that I'm watching. If you guys have any questions for me, please drop them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. If you're new to the channel, also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.